out here in Utah. This is gonna be camp for the night. Got all set up. Got Alec back here again with another adventure. Gabe, return character, episode 4. We just stopped in Moab, got everything that we needed, and now we're setting up base camp. Gonna be hitting a couple hikes. Onward. Gibby. Did you have a lot of the fire to keep you warm last night? Yeah. Nice.
Then it went out, and then I stopped.
Then it went out, and I was in pain.
Oh, man.
Yeah, here we have our. We survived. We survived. We had to kick Gibby out of our tenting space just because there wasn't enough room. He was voted out of the island. But you know what? We made a mistake. We could have kicked someone else out. All right, let's get going. Come on, Gabe.
We're gonna go mountain biking in this weather.
It's gonna get warmer. We're definitely out here. Trying to get up. Yeah, that's the guy. That's the predator. He's right there. That's him, officer. Get him. All right, but it was an all right sleep. Wasn't that bad.
You like that shit.
All right, you lost gun privileges. And Bradley, if you're listening, the tent kept us safe, but only 3 of us. Look who had to sleep outside.